Good morning everybody, Bill here with another video for you. Today we're back in the shed with the MX-5 because we've got another job to do on that exhaust system, and that is to put in one of these. A silencer, a mid-box, a muffler, whatever you call it, wherever you're from, it's got to go in here. The thing's way too loud, it's going to do me some hearing damage. So we're going to get under the car, see where we can fit it and get it on there. Okay, so here we are underneath the car. What we're looking at here is the bottom end of the dump pipe with a nice little flexi joint in there going all the way through that mid pipe, up and over the subframe to the rear of the car, where you will see a nice Y piece there going out to both tails. So what we've got to do, we've got to find somewhere in this long run here to try and fit that silencer in. Let's get it in here and see where it will go. Okay then, so after a couple of minutes spent crawling around underneath the car, I've removed the centre section and laid it out on the table next to the original system so that I can compare the two. I've come up with two possible locations for this centre box, one of which is at the back of the system here where the original one had it. Slightly more difficult as there's a couple of curves in the pipe here. Alternatively, it could go at the start of the system here, much easier, nice straight run, lots of clearance round the exhaust, so that's probably what I'm going to go with. So let's get this bit chopped out, we'll put this on, clamp it in position, line everything up, and then we can weld it all together. So after a little bit of deliberation, I decided the best place for the mid-box was in fact towards the back of the pipe in the original location, just to keep things simple. So what I'm going to do, cut this section out, clamp on the silencer, bolt the thing back to the car, line everything up, then I can take it back out and weld it fully. Oh hell. Oh. Well, after a bit of faff, I think we've got our location. Let's get the welder out. There we go, it's tacked in place. Let's get it off and weld it on fully. there we go then. It's complete. Painted up in silver to match the rest of it. Let's get it bolted on. Well, there we go then, that's the exhaust bolted back onto the car with a nice mid box in there. Let's push it outside, see if it's actually made a difference or whether this has been a complete waste of time. Okay then, car's outside, I've reconnected the battery. Before we start it up, let's have a quick recap about how loud the first start was. Got that? Right, let's see what this one sounds like. Exhaust system done, at least for now. I'm going to daily drive the thing for a bit, see what it's like to live with. I may end up wanting to put another silencer in there just to take some of the raspiness and resonation out of the centre pipe, but we'll see. It's a lot more civilised than it was before. It didn't give me a headache on the way home, so far things are looking good. It's probably about all you guys are interested in as well in terms of welding and grinding on an exhaust, so we'll leave it with that for now. Hope we move on to other things very soon. Thank you for watching. Keep an eye out for the next video.